In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a 1095-A in TaxAct. Now, the first thing you have to do, in case you are currently on the classic view, it's much easier to do this within the dashboard view. So at the bottom left, you're going to see like a switch to dashboards button or something like that. Press that, wait for a few seconds, and then you'll see a screen I'm seeing right now. Now, from here, you want to go to deductions and credits, and to actually find a 1095-A, you want to scroll down, and then you'll be able to find it here under medical. So as you can see, it says Health Insurance Marketplace. So click on that. It's a 1095-A. Go to the bottom, press Continue, bottom right. And then here, as you can see, under To Do, you have the 1095-A. You can just go and click on Open. And this is going to open up your form, and here, of course, you can go ahead and basically select if you received it or not, and you can just continue from here, and that way you can enter your 1095-A. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.